Hello everyone, the topic is sales analysis and visualization, and here are my teammates. When we go to introduction, the primary objective of our project is to identify key sale patterns and evaluate product performance. To uncover insights about which products generate the most revenue and how customers' preferences vary. This, this provides actionable recommendations for the business. Supermarket sales data sets, which provides valuable information about customer transaction, product categories, and purchasing behavior. This dataset consists of various features such as sale amounts, product lines, customer demographics, and payment methods. Analysis sale trends is vital for optimizing inventory and improving marketing strategies. Effective data analysis showcase visualizations to illustrate these insights. Next slide, please. Uh, Data exploration and cleaning. Improving the data. The dataset contains sale information including the date of sale, unit price, quantity sold, and more. Sources. When it comes to the sources, we have two sources that are CRM systems and sale database. The CRM systems that is extracted customer interaction data, sales history, and contact information. The other sales database is gathered transactional data, including product details, pricing, and sale volumes. Tools we have used are programming languages that is Python for data manipulating and cleaning. The next slides will be continued by my teammate.
Yeah, hello everyone. Next, coming to the data type and conversions. Here, the most important step is to make sure all the data types are correct. For example, if we take a date column, here initially the date column is a string data type. So we need to convert this string data type to the date time format. Here is a exam. Here is the code line for this conversion. Next, coming to the handling missing values. Missing values can be restored analysis. For example, if we take a unit price, here you can see the code like average unit price equals to sales unit price dot as type float. Here uh, we are handling the unit price column by using the mean value. And next line, sales unit price uh, replace. Here we are using a pandas method replace which replaces the specific value in a data frame or series with another values. Uh, np.nan, one second. np.nan, which is a placeholder for missing or undefined numerical data in NumPy arrays or pandas data frames. Next slide. Next, coming to the example of an quantity column, we use the mode values. Here is a code, and this code calculates the most frequent values of the quantity column in the sales dataset, replaces the missing values in the columns with the mode value. Here we are printing these values. Mode result where mode equals to 10 and mode equals to 119. Next, any remaining missing values can be dropped by using the uh, drop NA. And the next slides will be continued by my teammate.
Hi guys, my name is Bhargav. In our project, the main focus is on data analysis, which transform raw data into insights. It involves many steps like data collection, data cleaning, and data exploration, and data integration, data visualization, and decision making. And also, uh, we used some of them, which are statistical summary, which generates a summary of datasets to understand the distribution of each column, including mean, median, and standard deviation. In this, we use sales descript function generate summary statistics for the numerical columns in the sales dataset, including metrics like count, mean, and standard deviation, maximum, minimum, and quantities. Like one more is converting non-numeric columns. Columns with non-numeric values are converted to numeric values where applicable. This helps in performing numerical analysis and visualization later on. Then next slide, please. One more is correlation analysis. A correlation matrix is generated to identify relationships between different variables. This helps in understanding which factors might influence others significantly. Yeah, next is continued by my friend.
Hi everyone, this is Shishira Reddy. Let's discuss about the exploratory data analysis. In here, the first one is tax versus gross income. In these, we plot a regression line to show the relation between the tax 5% and gross income. Coming to the code, we use the plot figure for the figure configurations like figure size 12,6 and DPI shows the clarity in the 100. SNS.regplot. This is to give the to create the regression line between tax and gross income. And the plot shows a function creates an output, which is the red line, which we can see in the screen. It is a straight inclined line, which shows the linear relationship. Next slide. And coming to the second one, quantity versus cost of goods sold. Here, in this, we plot a graph regression to visualize how the number of units sold affects the cost of goods. Here in the code, we use the same functions like plot figure for figure configurations, sns.regplot for regression between quantity and cost of goods sold, and plot shows for the output. Here the output is the which we can see on the screen is the green lines, which shows the positive relationship between the quantity sold and the cost of goods, which means the more items are sold, the cost increases. And then next slide. And coming to the third one, unit price versus gross income. Here, regression plot is used to show how changes in unit price could impact the gross income. Uh, Here we use the same functions like plot figure, SNS reg plot, and plot shows. For output, we can see the output has blue lines in the screen. It indicates a positive trend, which where higher unit prices are associated with a higher gross income, and providing insight into how pricing strategies might influence overall revenue. Thank you. Next, continued by my teammate.
Thank you, Sisra. This is Raja, and I'll take you through the rating distribution. This is the rating distribution for customer ratings, and we use the uh, SNS.histplots on the Seaborn module, where we on x-axis we have the ratings of customer ratings, and on y-axis the percentage of ratings that the customers have given. And going to the next one, it is the mean ratings, and it is the mean to take the mean of the customer ratings. And this is also here also we have the CNS dot displots graph has been used here. And so the x-axis would be the mean sales rating, with the NP mean is the numpy function, which we have taken the mean of ratings, and we place it in the x-axis is the rating customer ratings, and y-axis is the percentage of the customer rating. So we got the mean ratings at 7. With this function sales.hist, we get the histogram for all the variables that are available in our data set. In the picture you can see the histogram for all the variables that we have in our dataset. And conclusion will be given by Vaishnavi.
Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi, and when we come to the conclusion, this exploration and visualization process, we gain valuable insights into the supermarket sales data. And while understanding these patterns and relationships helps in making information business decision. And stay tuned for the further more detailed analysis and insights in our future posts. Thank you.
Now we will take you through the code, through our code, and this is the code that we have got it. And when we run the code, we get all the graphs. This is the first graph that we have with the tax and the gross income, and this is the second one with the quality and the gross income, and this is the unit price and the gross income. And here we have the customer ratings and the delivery density. This is the mean rating, and this is the histogram for all the variables. And thank you.